It's Joe, and this is my next project.
That's a cool line. I like that line. And now I need to transfer it to the other side. And I'm gonna use this tool here. I can put this here and go mark it on the other side, and I can put it here and go mark it on the other side. And then I'll get something, a length, it doesn't matter how long it is, just every few inches. And I can mark it. Oh, about like that. That'd be fine. That's good enough. And then each one of these marks, I'll adjust this little thing. I'll make the same marks on the other side and measure them down. Then we can put our little tape line. I'll take it all off, cut it. Nothing to it. All right, I like that line. That just works so good. That's sea purlin. And that hood line, I love that the hood curves a little bit this way. I didn't expect that when I picked that Ford pickup fender out. That adds a lot. I think I'm gonna let that rust. I sanded it off. Very nice. It's got a little, what do you call that? An unfit? It's unfit right here. Fix that. Something else to work on. Probably another project. You ever done any carbon fiber? Anybody ever done any carbon fiber? I've done some fiberglass. Not a lot, but I built a mold for a one-piece front end one time, so I've done a little fiberglass work. But Aaron is working on his Jeep and building quarter panels. He rolled quarter panels out of aluminum with an English wheel he had never run before, and now he wants to take those aluminum quarter panels and make them out of carbon fiber. He's buying all the stuff, so he's asked me if I'd help. I told him I would. I don't know when that's coming, but that's coming pretty soon. Oh man, that is just too cool. That is a nice line. And it caps that door, and there's gonna be no body filler Well, no body filler joining those two pieces anyway. All right. I like it. You like it? Like it. Where's this photo gonna be? Where's this thumbnail? Right about there? Hey, thanks for tuning in.